Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Scissor car jacks might seem like simple tools, but they can be lifesavers during roadside emergencies. In this video, we're highlighting the critical importance of keeping scissor car jacks in your vehicle for unforeseen situations. Join us as we explore their significance, ease of use, and how these tools can be essential during roadside crises. The importance of keeping scissor car jacks for emergencies. Are you prepared for emergencies on the road? Scissor car jacks are an essential tool for every vehicle. In this video, we will delve into the reasons why keeping a scissor car jack in your car is crucial for handling unexpected roadside situations. Whether it's a flat tire or other car-related issues, having a scissor car jack can be a lifesaver. Let's explore the importance of this tool for emergency preparedness. What is a scissor car jack? A scissor car jack is a mechanical device used to lift vehicles. It consists of a lead screw, a nut, and a handle. The lead screw is turned to extend or retract the jack, raising or lowering the vehicle as needed. How does a scissor car jack work? When you insert the handle into the designated slot and start turning, the lead screw engages with the nut, causing it to move up or down. As the nut moves, it pushes the arms of the jack outward, extending the height and lifting the vehicle. This simple yet effective mechanism allows car owners to elevate their vehicles to change tires or perform maintenance. By understanding the mechanics behind scissor car jacks, you can better appreciate their functionality and value during emergencies on the road. The importance of keeping scissor car jacks for emergency safety and reliability. Scissor car jacks are essential for ensuring safety and reliability during roadside emergencies. Unlike hydraulic jacks, scissor jacks provide a stable platform for lifting vehicles, reducing the risk of accidents or injuries. Their robust design and sturdy construction make them a dependable tool for lifting cars during tire changes or minor repairs. Compact and portable. One of the key benefits of scissor car jacks is their compact and portable nature. Their slender profile allows for easy storage in the trunk of a car, making them an ideal emergency tool for on-the-go individuals. Whether you're navigating urban streets or embarking on a road trip, the portability of a scissor car jack ensures that you're prepared for unexpected flat tires or mechanical issues. Versatility and ease of use. Scissor car jacks offer versatility and ease of use, making them suitable for a wide range of vehicles. Their simple operation and manual cranking mechanism provide a user-friendly experience, allowing drivers of all skill levels to confidently lift their vehicles when needed. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or crossover, a scissor car jack offers the flexibility to handle various car models without the need for complex adjustments. By keeping a scissor car jack on hand, drivers can navigate unforeseen circumstances with confidence, knowing that they have a reliable and compact tool that provides safety, portability, and ease of use during emergencies. When to use scissor car jacks in emergencies. Flat tire. When you find yourself with a flat tire on a busy road or a remote area, a scissor car jack becomes an invaluable tool. By using the scissor car jack, you can safely and efficiently lift your vehicle to replace the flat tire with a spare. Remember to find a safe spot away from traffic before using the scissor car jack. Vehicle maintenance. For routine vehicle maintenance such as oil changes or brake pad replacements, a scissor car jack can provide the lift needed to access the underside of the vehicle. Ensuring your vehicle is properly maintained can prevent potential breakdowns or emergencies on the road. Emergency repairs. During unforeseen breakdowns or emergencies, a scissor car jack can come to the rescue by lifting the vehicle and providing access to the affected area. Whether it's a damaged exhaust system, a leaking pipe, or a damaged part, a scissor car jack facilitates the necessary repairs, allowing you to get back on the road safely and swiftly. Tips for using scissor car jacks safely. Choosing the right surface. When using a scissor car jack, it's crucial to select a flat and stable surface for lifting the vehicle. Avoid rough or uneven terrain as this may compromise the stability of the jack, leading to potential accidents. Additionally, Ensure that the ground is capable of supporting the weight of the vehicle and the jack to prevent sinking or shifting during the lifting process. Proper positioning and stability. Positioning the scissor jack correctly under the designated lift points of the vehicle is essential for safe operation. Be sure to consult the vehicle's manual for the precise location. Once in place, ensure the jack is stable and secure before lifting the vehicle. This involves checking that the jack is centered, making direct contact with the lift points, and that the vehicle is parked with the handbrake engaged. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Regular maintenance and inspection. Regular maintenance and inspection of the scissor car jack are crucial for ensuring its safe and effective operation during an emergency. Before use, check for any signs of wear and tear, such as cracks, rust, or bent components. Additionally, ensure that the moving parts are lubricated to facilitate smooth operation. Regularly inspecting and maintaining the jack will enhance its longevity and safety performance. Choosing the right scissor car jack weight capacity. When selecting a scissor car jack, it's crucial to consider the weight capacity it can support. Ensure that the jack's weight rating matches or exceeds the weight of your vehicle. This factor is pivotal for safety and effectiveness in emergencies. A jack with a higher weight capacity provides a wider margin of safety, allowing for versatility in lifting different vehicle types without compromising stability. Construction and durability. The construction and durability of a scissor car jack are paramount for its reliability during emergencies. Look for jacks made from sturdy materials such as heavy-duty steel, which offers robust support and resilience. Consider the weld quality, reinforcement, and overall build to guarantee its ability to withstand the pressure of lifting a vehicle. A durable jack ensures a secure and stable foundation, promoting safety and peace of mind. Additional features and accessories. Apart from lifting capabilities, it's beneficial to explore additional features and accessories offered with the scissor car jack. Some jacks come with a built-in crank handle for convenient operation, while others may offer a quick lifting mechanism for efficiency. Furthermore, integrated safety features like a locking mechanism or anti-slip padding contribute to a more secure lifting experience. Assessing these supplementary attributes can enhance the jack's usability and overall safety measures. By considering the weight capacity, construction, and durability, as well as additional features and accessories, you can make an informed decision when choosing the right scissor car jack for emergencies. In conclusion, keeping a scissor car jack for emergencies is a wise decision for any vehicle owner. Its compact size, ease of use, and reliable performance make it a valuable tool for addressing unexpected roadside situations. Investing in a scissor car jack can provide peace of mind and ensure that you are prepared for unforeseen car maintenance needs. Whether it's a flat tire or a quick inspection underneath the vehicle, having a scissor car jack readily available can help you stay safe and get back on the road swiftly. Thanks for joining us as we highlighted the importance of keeping scissor car jacks for emergencies. By having this simple yet crucial tool in your vehicle, you're better prepared to handle unexpected roadside situations. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and emergency preparedness tips. Remember, being equipped with the right tools can make all the difference during unforeseen events. Drive safe and stay prepared. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.